This is going to be a similar replica in the fact of the concept and the pass to Robinson is very close, even though it's a different part of the field. The Bears in a max protect, an outside zone play action play again for Trubisky. Both tight ends will stay in, and Miller and Robinson will go out for about intermediate routes. If the Lions had a blitz on for their linebackers and the tight ends stay, they can go in and blitz. But they don't, but they follow that play action for sure. So these guys get sucked in again. The Lions have these corners in cover 3. So as you watch it go here, outside zone to the right, Kmet will kind of seal the backside. If you watch here, these corners, if you're in cover 3, you can't let anybody by you. So if these guys keep pushing vertical, you keep going vertical. The safety, though, doesn't go with them, which I'm not sure why. But again, Mitch can just stare down the safety as you watch here and peg it pass right in there. Looks him off to one side. Robinson stops, turns around, hits him right in the numbers. We'll watch this super quick in fast motion. Easy ball, turn around, catch it right there. Makes the reads easy for Mitch. Whether that's a good or bad thing, we'll live to see another day.